Hello friends. Welcome to my channel. Hope everyone are doing good. Today we will check the exercises that can be done at home without visiting the gym. This video is particularly for my friends who find it hard to visit gym. Skipping, or jump rope, offers a variety of health benefits. Improves heart and lung function. Burns a significant number of calories in a short time, aiding weight loss. Engages multiple muscle groups, toning the legs, arms, and core. Jumping jacks offer numerous benefits, making them a great addition to any workout routine. It engages multiple muscle groups. It helps cardiovascular fitness, effective for burning calories, aiding in weight management and fat loss. Squats are a foundational exercise with numerous benefits, including squats primarily targets the quadriceps, hamstrings, glutes, and calves, building overall lower body strength. Engages the core muscles, improving stability and balance. Squats promote joint flexibility and mobility in the hips, knees, and ankles. Squats help to burn calories effectively, aiding in weight management and fat loss. Squat strengthens the muscles that support good posture, helping to prevent back pain. Lunges enhances flexibility in the hips and groin, promoting better range of motion. Engages the core muscles for stability, improving balance and coordination. Strengthens the muscles around the knees and hips, contributing joint stability. Side lunges are a fantastic exercise with several benefits. Primarily works the inner and outer thighs, glutes, quadriceps, and hamstrings. Chair climbers are similar to mountain climbers and is a dynamic exercise with numerous benefits. Engages multiple muscle groups, including the core and legs. Burpees are a highly effective exercise. It's a full body workout. Very good for cardiovascular fitness and calorie burning. It also helps to build strength and power. Push-ups is a classic exercise with a wide range of benefits. Targets key muscle groups such as the chest, shoulders, triceps, and upper back. Engages the core muscles, promoting stability and strength in the abdominal area. Helps in joint health. The bench-assisted tricep pushdown is a great exercise for targeting the triceps. Focuses on the triceps and tone the arms. Sit-ups are a classic exercise that targets core. Helps to remove those abdominal fat and build core strength and stability. Sit-ups strengthens the core and can enhance posture by supporting the spine and reducing slouching. Sit-ups can contribute to calorie burning as part of a balanced workout routine. Back extensions are an effective exercise for targeting the lower back and core. Primarily targets the erector spinae, improving strength in the lower back muscles. A strong lower back can reduce the risk of injuries, especially in the spine and surrounding muscles during physical activities. Back extension activates the core muscles, contributing to overall core stability and strength. You can end your routine with planks. Planks are an excellent exercise for building core strength. Planks targets the entire core, including the abdominals, obliques, and lower back, promoting overall stability. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more tips. Have a good day.